Hello, welcome my new video. As this new year approaches, find inspiration around you and motivation within you to be all that you can be. Happy New Year! Now that the old year has passed, let the past be over. With the new year has come forth and on the clock. Happy New Year 2023. I wish to have a year filled with happiness and strength to overcome all the dark hour. You are a true blessing. Happy New Year 2023. Happy New Year. Failure does not influence your inner resilience, and failing simply means that you have discovered another false way to move your life forward. Profit from it. There are greater things to be achieved in every day year, and each and everyone must prepare themselves to be great not by word of the mouth, but by a lot of sacrifice. All YouTube family Instagram. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.